Today we're taking a quick first look at the all-new Suzuki RM-Z250, and the big question is simple. Does this bike still justify your money in a very competitive 250 class? First impressions? Suzuki hasn't gone wild with changes, but the new look definitely feels sharper. It's still got that classic RM-Z identity, but with updated graphics and a more aggressive stance that honestly looks better in person than in photos. Now, performance-wise, the RM-Z250 continues to focus on what it's always been known for: strong cornering and predictable handling. The chassis feels tight, super responsive, and it really shines on technical tracks where precision matters more than raw power. But here's the catch. Compared to some of its rivals, the engine still feels a bit behind in outright horsepower. It's smooth, controllable, but if you're chasing top-end speed, you might notice it missing that extra punch. So is it worth your money? If you value handling, reliability, and a bike that feels planted and confidence-inspiring, the RM-Z250 still makes a strong case. But if you want the most powerful 250 straight out of the box, you might want to compare your options carefully. Overall, a solid evolution, not a revolution.